8:11 now, Steve and Ted in the morning on KNSS. Time for Wednesday with Wagle. Dr. Jason Wagle at Kansas Perio and Dental Implants with us this morning. Good morning, sir. Nice to have you with us.
Hey, good morning, Steve. Thanks for having me.
Hey, give us some tips today. How can we stay healthy during this COVID-19 outbreak? What should we do?
That's a good question. We've kind of talked a lot about this over the past several weeks. I think that the most important thing right now is that we can take some extra precautions to help slow the spread of COVID-19. Continue to shelter in place, wash our hands, avoid cross-contamination, keep social distancing, avoid crowds and things like that.
Mm-hmm. So what about what can we do to protect our dental health, specifically during the COVID-19 outbreak?
The most, since most dental practices, including Kansas Perio, are closed right now except for emergencies and urgent care, to help slow the spread of COVID-19, that's one of the things we're doing here at the office. It may be beneficial for patients, obviously, to work more diligently regarding oral hygiene, but they may also want to try to avoid certain acidic beverages, drink plenty of fluids, avoid sugary snacks, brush their gums, floss their teeth. Well, another kind of an interesting specific tip, if they do develop a cough, they might want to try to use a sugar-free cough drop, to avoid getting cavities in this time as well.
So at Perio, you still, if there's an emergency, you're going to take care of somebody. Is that right?
We are seeing patients for emergency care and urgent treatment. But again, we're really trying to slow the spread of the virus.
Right.
So we're following the CDC guidelines. But during this time also, we're here at the office. We're working really diligently with our colleagues and our staff. We're taking continuing education courses, reviewing charts, and we're getting ready to reopen here, when the time comes.
And if you are one of those people, I consider anybody in any kind of health situation, you're on the front line there on the coronavirus. Would you like to acknowledge some of those people in our community who are doing such a great job?
I would like to acknowledge a lot of people that are actually on the front lines, that are in our community that are actually putting themselves at a higher risk. That would be, our nurses, our physicians, our EMS, police, fire department, armed forces, and even those in the grocery stores and delivery services, and those that are helping the homeless and the food delivery, such as Meals on Wheels. We need to let them know that we appreciate them for their hard work and keeping us safe, fed, and healthy throughout this outbreak. This group of people they're at higher risk for getting the COVID-19 infection, and that's kind of why it is important for each of us to try to reduce the spread of the virus by continuing social distancing and washing our hands.
Well, all of our best to you to get the thing back going. We're going to want to get back to normal one of these days soon. We're sure ready for that to happen any time now, right?
Yeah. I would like to take this opportunity also to ask our patients, our great patients here at Kansas Perio, to visit our website at kansasperio.com and send us an email so that we can update their records and make sure that we're keeping them up to date as far as what we're doing here at our office.
Good idea.
Yeah.
KansasPerio.com. Real easy. KansasPerio.com. The phone number, I don't know if you're manning the phone or not, 685-2731, but are you there? Okay. But,
thank you.
When it's time to get serious about your smile, time to talk to your dentist about Kansas Perio. Dr. Wagle there with some good information today during this pandemic that's going on. It's affecting a lot of dental practices and medical people around the city and around the country. 8:15 now, Steve and Ted here on KNSS. And Steve and Ted are here the way we've been here almost.